Model, 64-plate Ford Transit Connect 200 Trend No VAT Fresh MOT Full Camper Conversion. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 214970. MOT, the 28th of August 2027. Engine, 1560 cc 1.6 TDCI 95 PS. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. Gearbox pulls well in all gears with no issues, no warning lights on the dash, thumbs up. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Clean and well cared for van showing pride of ownership. Features, Euro status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Contact